A new report claims that the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will be Samsung's first keyless smartphone. Several users are complaining about connectivity issues with their new Galaxy S10, especially on certain carriers. And if you're worried that the Galaxy Fold won't last long, Samsung just made a significant test to prove it. I'm Jaime Rivera, and well, this is going to be a day full of Samsung news because obviously P30 Pro is now official. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals, and I know Apple has become famous for their deals lately. If you want to get yourself a pair of last generation AirPods, head on over to Costco in the United States. They're currently $130 full price, which is a like $30 drop, and then it's like $5 for delivery from Costco. I didn't even know they had that service. I should probably get them to send me a couple of chickens that way. But anyways, yeah, old AirPods, why not? Now, for those of you in Europe that have been wanting to use the Apple Watch's EKG, ECG, whatever they want to call it, you did notice that the update of iOS 12.2 did bring the feature to your iPhone to activate it on your watch, but then it wasn't available on your watch. Apparently, that's going to be launching in the next couple of days. Stay tuned. Follow the link in the description for more details. Now, for those of you that are worried about the Galaxy Fold and how many folds you have available and this and that, obviously every company provides stress tests to their products, and Samsung has pretty much just published the one that they conducted for the Galaxy Fold, where according to the publication, 200,000 folds will give you 5 years of folds if you are to fold that thing 100 times. So I guess we don't have to worry, given the price tag. But there's only one way to find out. We can't wait for our review unit, Sammy. And speaking of Samsung, and those of you that are having issues when it comes to connectivity on the Galaxy S10, apparently this is something that's narrowed out to Sprint. At least that's where most complaints are coming from, people that are having difficulty retaining LTE connectivity. And so apparently Sprint is not going to make you wait for anything. If you have any issues, they have a solution, which is in the link in the description. And if that doesn't work, they'll swap your unit. So if you've been having issues, there is a way to solve it. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, and it's funny when I read keyless, I was like, keyless entry, but no. It's the fact that just like we saw Meizu tease a phone without buttons or ports, it seems that the Galaxy Note 10 will be the company's first phone without buttons. And if you've noticed in the Galaxy S10, there's a way to wake the phone by just pressing the screen, touching the screen. So Samsung has been moving towards this. We've had the capacitive button that used to be sort of like Touch ID in the past. So truly, Samsung has been working towards that. It's just, wow, a phone without buttons. Let us know in the comments down below. I mean, what do you think? Do you think that's a good idea or not? Because I guess my biggest concern is how do you turn that thing on if you switch it off? I don't know. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know what you think that might mean. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.